back again. How are you finding this, people? Daily uploads. I don't know how I'm doing it really, but look at this. It's pretty good. Really highlights all the dents and stuff in it now though. So we might have to see if we can just squeeze a few of them out. But apart from that, it's looking pretty fantastic. Now, we was going to paint this black today, but the weather outside today is pretty grim. Oh god, I've got hiccups as well. Yeah, weather's not very nice today, so we're probably going to hold that off for a few more days and get on with some welding, I think. So we were thinking we have new outer sill panels, so we might do a bit of that. So there we go, another day on the Mini. He's raring to go, look. Oh, I've got hiccups, this is awful. But yeah, quite pleased indeed. But just seen a bit of a mist. No, I'm joking. Oh dear. Yeah, right, okay then. Well, we're going to crack on. I'm just deciding which side sill to start with.
You always got to start with the right sill.
The right one.
No,
The correct one. Yeah.
The right sill.
That sort of sill. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay then. Right, gonna crack on with this. I will bring you back in a minute. Oh god, once we've made a decision and sticking to it. Back in the tick. You alright there?
Not gonna lie, scared the shit out of me then.
I keep forgetting to pick my camera up and film this, but outer sill cut off. As you can see, had to repair a bit of the inner sill floor there. So now I've just having to repair and replace a bit of the step there, so that's all welded in. And he's banging around in the back. Yeah, so once I've got this repaired, I can then put the outer sill on. And that's this side done. And then we've got to do a panel. Ah, yeah, it's never ending, isn't it? It's never ending. Minis. Ah, who'd have them? And all he's done, look, he's had a cup of tea in his hand all day.
I'll keep saying this. Every part of a build, got to have a decent cup of teas.
Yeah, I don't do tea. Don't do it.
It's because it's gay.
Yeah, it is a bit gay, tea. Yeah. Drinking the water from dead weeds. It's rather disgusting. It's got the little finger though. Right then, okay, well I am going to switch this back off again, so I've got to carry on and finish off that little bit there and then grind all that back, make it look good, and then I've got to put the outer sill on. Woo! I think that'll be today then.
Yeah.
Right, that's it, we're packing up for the day. Had enough. I've just slapped some filler in there. There was also a little repair I did there. Exactly what repair, can't even see it. Obviously we've got to put an A panel on it at some point because it's a little bit rotten, and there's that bit there to repair on the scuttle as well. But apart from that, I've still got to fit the outer sill panel, which I think is going to be first thing tomorrow. Clean up this edge, both top and bottom, spot weld all the way along there, and then I'm going to drill the insides and plug weld from the inside, keep it nice and neat. So hide it. That's our motto with this build, really, isn't it? Hide it. Hide it. Yeah.
Well, I was just speeding.
And we've stacked up the back of the car as well. So
hidden that, so it's not on the floor.
That's it. Hidden it all so it's not on the floor. Right. Okay. Yeah. Kind of another boring video. It's just bloody bodywork, and I hate bodywork, but it's all got to be done, isn't it? It's all got to be done.
Sooner this is out of the way, sooner we can get on to the engine.
Yeah.
That's when things get exciting.
It is engine time. Looking forward to that.
That's when naughty things happen in your pants.
Oh dear. Right, okay then. Well, that's it again for another day. So what have we done now? 4 days straight on this?
4 days straight.
4 videos. Bloody daily uploads. This is incredible, isn't it? Incredible.
Paul's done the four days bent. Oh, I've done it straight.
He's terrible, isn't he? Terrible. Okay, right, I'm going now. So until tomorrow, we'll do another day. 5th day in a row. How many can we do in a row?
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow.